Girl, Terence, say happy birthday to my baby. Look up, Terence, they about to say happy birthday to you.
What you say?
Sure.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at my glasses. More than a cockroach. Acknowledge me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is March 15th, Terrence's birthday. So we're getting ready to go out to eat. If you're new to my channel, I like to say to you, hey boo. Arms wide open. And if you're a returning subscriber, girl, you've been hanging in there with your girl. Hey boo.
Miracle in this room with my name on it. There's a breakthrough. It's got my name on it.
So, girl, they all outside waiting on me. I said, let me open the blog up real quick. Because if not, they're going to be yelling and talking and doing all that in the car. So, anyway, let's go. All right, y'all. We done made it in the car. On our way to the Juicy Crab. I figured I didn't have to put it in my phone. Oh, we still a ways away. Are we going the wrong way? We going the wrong way? We was going the wrong way? McDonough is that way. Why is it telling us to go this way? Hold on, y'all gotta give me a second. Why is it not a Juicy Crab this way? Oh, they go Auntie Sade. Not literally, that's where she lives. All right, y'all. We on our way to the Juicy Crab. Now that we got the right directions. Because Terrence is 20 today. Happy birthday, Terence. Y'all gotta see my handsome grandson. He's so handsome. Ain't nobody coming. Go, Terence, say happy birthday to my baby. Look up, Terence, they about to say happy birthday to you. Terence like, keep riding, man. Oh, I done lost the directions again. So, I got this, I'm just getting over being sick. And I got this raspiness in my throat. And it drives me crazy. It's like when I'm talking to somebody on the phone and they're constantly clearing their throat. It works my nerves. So, I don't want to work y'all nerves. So, we're going to go ahead and make our way to the... Girl, we on this old backwood, Vinewood road. It's giving get out. That's what it's giving. Anyway, let me focus and I'll be back. I'll be back. Look.
You know the way I put my top, or how I lose my cool, or how I look at you, say, why? It ain't no fighting, no, I can't stop it, please to go out. Look the way I put my fist, or how I bust my hip for your affection, tryna be down, and no fighting, and no stopping. Stick around. Wish I was the type of girl that you take over to mama. The type of girl I know my daddy, he'd be proud of. I'd be proud of.
All right, y'all. We here. Give me a minute. All right, y'all. We done made it. Girl, everybody done ran in and left me with the bag. I'm like, Lord, why you ain't get Terrence stuff? She's going to help us. All right, we in here. It don't look real packed to me, but we waiting on a table, so all right. You gonna go wait with your sisters?
There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. I need you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. Baby, now that I found you, stay and
Real country. KK got her princess dress on. Let's see your princess dress. All right.
Pose. That's not a pose. That's not a pose.
Just do it.
Okay. I'm pressed for time. I know it's the whole DEI, all of that. I get it. Target is the only thing around here. I wasn't going to get a cake because Lauren, we brought a cake last night, or cake mix, and Lauren made cake pops, but Terence didn't like them. So, I need to find a cake. So let me find a cake. Yeah, so I got my cupcakes and some candles. I don't think the black people got the message that you're not supposed to be shopping at Target, because there's a whole lot of us in here. So, anyway, I'm getting my cupcakes and my candles for my grandson in Target. And y'all know I don't even do Target, but ain't no other store around. And he gotta have a cake, cupcake or something on his birthday. Bless his heart. Okay, so I got the cupcakes, I got the, girl, my knee is still, it's like it's swollen in the back. So I got this. Girl, yeah, this is how much I do for my grandkids, girl. We already at the place eating. Well, the food didn't come yet. So by the time I get back, they'll be eating. And that's fine, because I didn't order me anything. Actually, some mozzarella sticks. They came free if you do a survey. Girl, trying to cross the street. I don't know what it was. Girl, it's a madhouse getting out of here. Girl, my knee is killing me. All right, let me get back to my babies. Okay, so that's what Terence got. Terence got mussels and shrimp and... You got 3 eggs? Did you get 3 eggs? Oh, thank you, baby. Here go my free cheese sticks. And here go KK. She got her own plate. You can't tell her nothing. And that's Lauren. I got the free cheese sticks. Why your stuff so brown? Terence can't stay on his phone for 5 minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Terence. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old? How old? 20. You 20? You see how smooth he is? He said, I'm what? I'm 20. All right, blow your candles out.
Why you trying to blow on?
Yay, girl.
Look, he said.
Yeah, the frosting is thick. Okay, what kind you want? What kind you want, KK? She want to lick all the birthday things. Okay, that's enough, girl. Now, which one you want? The chocolate or vanilla? Vanilla? Huh? Oh.
I know how to play those. I got that first try. I know how to play those things.
That's this lady gave them this. This one was for KK. Terence got Sonic. Wasn't that nice of her?
Hey, Roman normal 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, drink it.
What you say?
To that light, hit them sticky with the fire. Hey, Roman normal 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire.
Mom said you don't like that
This world concrete, how we go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Get it, they coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you out for us.
keychain. It's a Rubik's Cube keychain.
Hey, Roman normal 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the
We didn't get to know games because you got every game in the book.
If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, be a dance, let her watch. Keep the fame, be a vibe. I just wanna kumbaya,
Don't you saw that? Come on, y'all, let's go. Birthday behavior. Woo! Kate, I'm running the street. All right, we ready. Terence, he came out already. We went to the bathroom. Oh, girl, KK had so much, Laura had so much cake caked up in them glasses. Terence got her real good.
Think about the worst part about it is I have glasses.
Uh-huh. Come on. How old is your schnauzer? How old is he? 3. Mine's is 6. Little tiny, huh? Oh, he's 7, right? Huh? Little boy? Yeah, Izoki. Hi, guy.
Wait, that dog look like a Zoki.
Mm-hmm. All right, come on, little girl. Ooh.
We got some Lisa thing.
Yeah. Yeah, Zoki almost 8. All right, what we finna do?
The movies.
What y'all going to see at the movies?
We'll ask them when we get there.
Huh? I ain't staying at the movies with y'all.
You know?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I ain't gonna be able to do that one. No, I'll take y'all. Where the movie thing at? We gotta see where the movie thing is at. I don't know where the recorder is. Now, how am I plug it up and it's way back there? Ooh, Jesus. Lauren, you gotta let the cord go. The cord ain't but so long. Oh, man. Girl, I am done. All right, let me see where I'm gonna take these kids. And
Can I take you out tonight to a movie, to the park? I'll have you home before it's dark, so let me know. Can I take you out tonight? She caught me by surprise, I must say, 'cause I never had seen such a pretty face with such a warm and beautiful smile. It wasn't hard for me to notice her style. I was fascinated, surely. She took my heart and held it for me. I wouldn't let her get away, not until she heard me say
$57?
Yes.
What time is the movie over? $57 to go to the movies. It's his birthday. And, oh, he ain't even open his cards. It's his birthday. And, where's my wallet? Yeah, he wanted to go to the movie, so, of course, the girls want to go. And girl, they ain't letting him out. Girl, Terence is, look, he on their radar. So, anyway, they gonna go to the movies. I don't feel like going to the movies. So,
7:15.
7:15?
Yeah.
Where's my wallet? Is it not in there? Did you take it out the bag? It's only previews on right now. My wallet.
Right here.
Okay. I'll be out here at 7:15. Keep an eye on your sister.
Okay.
Here. You gotta be a little incognito.
Take a shot.
Yeah. And just hold it like that. You gotta hold it like that. Not like it's a drink. Don't drop that iPad. Alright. Cause I ain't paying for no pop. You could forget that. What? Oh. Girl. $40. It was $41. Did they say 3 adults? $41 to go to the movie. And then they wanted popcorn. And the popcorn was 11 something. $11.49. He better be glad his birthday come around once a year. Sir. Ooh, Lord. No. I'm going to let Izoki out, sit down for 5 minutes, and come back and get them. It would be worth the drive. I'm sorry. And plus, I ain't going to do nothing but go to sleep in there anyway. So, but Terence had a nice time. Am I going this way? Yeah, let me come back out this way. Terence had a nice time. We just went out to dinner. You know, Terence not one of them type of individuals who you know, turn up. Let me say that. He ain't one of them types. So he, girls, cake on my seat. He had a nice time. He wanted to eat. His food was a little spicy. So what I'm gonna do is when we get home, Nana gonna make it not spicy. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause that's what I do for my babies. I solve problems and situations. They're my boos. I love them kids. Ooh, they work a nerve. I told Kennedy was at we had a phone visit this morning with their mom. And so I said, oh no, man, we ain't getting on the 75. You gotta pay a toll from right here? Georgia, y'all need to stop. But we was on a phone visit. So I said, when y'all going home? She said, when mommy come. I said, well, tell her. I said, hurry up. Okay, we done with them. Okay, there you go. Oh, y'all see my watch? Let's see. It's upside down, but y'all see my watch? This is what I got from my friend Mary. She gave it to me. What was the name on this watch? Anne Klein, brand new. And she gave it to me. Still has a little plastic. I got it right here on my gear shift. But what are we doing? Girl. Anyway, let me put some music on and zone out. And I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Or I just see y'all tomorrow. One or the two. One or the two. They was bad.
Nana. 7:45.
What time you say the movie was over?
7:15.
Oh.
And I didn't even get to see the first 45 minutes of the movie.
Why?
Cause when both of them had went in there,
I came looking for you. You wasn't in there, so I just assumed that you was in.
So where you was at?
I was outside at first, and then I came in the thing.
But why were you outside if you knew what movie y'all was going to see?
Because the lady wouldn't let me in without a ticket, and Terence had brought all 3 tickets in the movie with him.
Okay, so you didn't go in the movies?
I did go in the movies, but not for like the first 30 minutes.
First it was 45. Now it's 30.
40 minutes.
So what did we learn? Get your tickets. That's what we learned. And you thought she was with me? I'm glad you wasn't driving. So you know if he was driving, you'd have got left. You know that, right? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Well, did y'all like what y'all seen?
Yeah.
Alright.
What was a lot?
There was a lot going on.
I was to sit out there all since the movie was over. I was like,
It was too much stabbing people.
What did you go see, Terence?
We went to go see Nova Kane. It's like this man who can't feel
That's why I
pain.
said to be able to see it.
It's like this man who can't see, who can't feel pain.
So KK went to see a
Some
movie.
of this stuff I had to close her eyes.
Oh my Lord, my baby gonna be traumatized. Oh, and I couldn't make her stay with me. She wasn't going for that.
I was like, what movie is this?
You just got finished watching Secret Lives of Pets yesterday. Lord have mercy. Bless her heart.
Yeah.
All right, so at least y'all had a good time. Oh, goodness. All right.
Guess what Lauren did?
What Lauren do? That's right. Tell on her. Tell me what she did. And did you tell that lady that you was waiting on your brother, or that your brother had went in already?
Yeah, I told her that. She was like, I can't do nothing. I said my sister and my brother are already in there. She was like, well, I can't do nothing about it.
So how you end up getting in there?
I had just went to the resort and I was just sitting there waiting for them to come out, and then the manager had came up to me. She was like, are you gonna go to a movie or something? And I was
Terrence, okay, so while you was coming back to tell me stuff, that's when Terrence went in?
Yeah.
Yeah, Terrence, you gotta wait on her next time y'all go. Cause what was it? It was still the previews when you went in there, right? It was the actual movie? So it didn't start at 5 o'clock.
Oh, he's not going in there yet.
Yeah, when you went in there, it should have been still previews. Yeah, you gotta wait and make sure she's with you. I mean, I know you gotta have a ticket when you go in, but she's Louise. All right, y'all, we getting ready to go skating. Christian skating. Get your skate on with the Lord.
What?
What?
What she just asked?
Don't make me laugh. I'm so sleepy. You want to close that door, please?
Yeah.
Girl, that's why you can't tell kids stuff. Girl, I done told these kids I was taking them skating, and you know good and well I don't feel like going skating. I want to go lay down somewhere. Oh, Lord. This is some coffee from this morning.
See, I try to match the color of my skates.
Girl, I want to go back in the house. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the play I was doing at church. This is.
Oh, the Tuskegee Airmen. All right.
Where's mine?
How you doing?
Good about yourself.
Good. I'm not skating. I'm bringing her, but I need the adapter for the little kids. Y'all got those?
Adapter.
Yeah, the last time I was here, y'all had them.
Gotcha. Yes, ma'am. For her.
To the black hair on here to keep it in the middle. It's Ivy here to stay inside the orange cones.
Oh, she gonna stay on the carpet.
Yeah, on the carpet. That's
Yeah.
the orange cones on the carpet. You got number 8, you bring it back once you're done, baby. Double windows in the back for her skate.
Okay. So basically, they got the whole skating ring to themselves. Ain't nobody here. I'm like, you sure you want to come? Lauren, yeah. Ain't nobody in here. You skating?
Now what's up?
All right, I told her don't go on the carpet. I told her don't go on the carpet. I mean, don't go on the floor. To stay on the carpet until she get it, cause she moving a lot better with the taller one. Girl, I'm so sleepy. I don't know what to do.
Maybe we tried to fight it. We all been there some days. Thought I needed something more.
Bro, these kids is having a ball. KK is skating. They got the lights off now.
can feel it too. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me down. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?